Now I will take you to a trip to a place where these famous orange chisels are from. This used to be a town filled with factories, but nowadays it's a village of craftsmen and artisans and their shops. Fiskars is located in southern Finland, 57 kilometers west from Helsinki. So it's about 40-50 minutes drive by car. First thing that you will see when you arrive to Fiskars are all these beautiful red brick and wooden buildings, and then of course the river running through the town. I think it's a very photographic place and you can spend hours just walking around. And then visiting all these boutiques where you can see how things are made, it's fascinating, of course. And here I am, blowing my own glassways, but that's a topic of another video. It was time for a break, and then back to Helsinki, but first we made a pit stop in Mustio Mansion, which is also a great place to take photos. So how did you find this day trip? Was this a place you already know or something new?